The title of our forthcoming campus is On Fertile Ground, Transferring a Healthy Embryo to a Receptive Womb. This is a very interesting campus. I think it's a unique campus in a way, because it is organized by three ESHRE special interest groups: embryology, implantation in early pregnancy, and stem cells.
So this campus course, instead of being a whole day in Lisbon, is going to be 3 afternoons. So you can be really relaxed, have your cup of coffee, and enjoy 3 afternoons of exciting research.
We are going to explore implantation, successful implantation or unsuccessful implantation, from different points of view.
So we start with factors determining embryo quality, and we have very good and interesting speakers. And then we go for reconstruction of the human embryo, and that's both on Wednesday. And as you may know, on Thursday we focus on eggs, embryos, and the uterine environment, and also have a talk on endometrial receptivity and how we can diagnose, for example, anatomic malformations or disorders within the uterus. And we also thought that we should rethink or have some ideas on embryo transfer strategies. That's why we put this in the afternoon session on Thursday. And on Friday, our SIG is having some talks about possible immunological effects or causes for recurrent implantation failure. And then the SIG stem cell is having some nice talks about new therapeutic strategies.
We are devoting and investing a lot of effort in making these virtual campuses very successful. We are trying to maintain the interactive components, and overall we are aiming to maintain the experience of the physical campus, but in a virtual setting.
You can also prepare some cases. So maybe you are struggling with some patients, or think, what can I do, and why is this patient not getting pregnant? What can I do as an additional diagnostic or therapeutic procedure? So bring in those cases, and then we can discuss it, because I think we have really experts in the field and we can solve things together.
And of course, it's a safe way of learning, because with the pandemic, getting together, it's probably putting yourself at risk. So just being virtual just makes it safe for everybody.
So please log into the ESHRE website and have a close look at the program of the campus. You'll find some very exciting, extremely useful lectures by top scientists across the globe.
Don't forget to register. It's going to be a really exciting event, bringing together experts on stem cells, on embryology, on early implantation. So we're all going to get together and discuss the very best science we are doing. So don't forget to register. Don't forget to tell your friends. And most importantly, during the event, don't forget to participate, ask your questions, and enjoy the opportunity to interact as much as possible with the speakers.
Many people made a lot of ideas and put it together, so I hope you enjoyed.